So this is the phase 3 of the NIST flood relief effort. So it is the effort to replenish after the floods. Under the assessment of the NIST flood relief team, we have decided to support Lopburi area and specifically on the Wat Bang Phueng Elementary School. NIST students and staff went on several needs assessment visits to schools and community centers in Lamloka and Lopburi earlier this year. Wat Bang Phueng School in Lopburi was identified with the most needs. So we have decided to visit them again and offer help on their needs.
Bang, 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 bang.